Okay, we will solve 2 more examples and then we are done. Okay, now let's choose a particular solution for y double prime plus 4y is equal to minus 20 sine 2x. Okay, first we need to find, even if we are finding a particular solution, we need to find the complementary solution. Why see the complementary solution? Because we need to check if r of x is contained in the complementary solution or not. Okay, I couldn't try the complementary solution. Okay, so what is this? It is the solution of the homogeneous, the corresponding homogeneous part. So what is the homogeneous part? It is 4y is equal to 0. What is the characteristic equation? Which characteristic equation? Lambda square plus 4 is equal to 0. And in this case, and it has roots, so lambda square is equal to minus 4. Here we can see that lambda 1, 2, we have complex roots, right? Plus minus 2i. So we have complex roots, and in this case we know how to write the so this is alpha plus I beta, and alpha is equal to 0, beta is equal to 2 in this case. So if you remember, it was e to the power c alpha x sine. Do I write, let's say, okay, c1 cosine beta x first plus c2 e to the power alpha x sine beta x, and here alpha is 0, so we have e to the power 0 is 1, so this is c1 cosine, and beta is 2 plus c2 sine 2x, and e to the power 0 is 1. Great, we find the complementary solution. So let's find the particular solution. So to find particular solution, we always check r of x, and in this case r of x given as minus 2 sine 2x, and we check that if this is contained in the complementary solution or not. But here we see that it is contained in the complementary solution, right? So that's why we multiply by x. So since our guess would be a times sine 2x plus b times cosine 2x, but since r of x is contained in y complementary, we choose y particular as ax sine 2x plus, okay, sine comes with cosine, so plus bx times cosine 2x. Now it is exercise. Now substitute y particular into the equation to find a and b, because we know particular solution does not contain arbitrary constants, so we have to find a and b, but it is just some computations. I think you can do it. So okay, do not forget, if it is contained in, okay, I want to say it again, if it is contained in complementary solution, we multiply by x. So contained in, okay, maybe I should write it, so multiply by x. Okay, let's do, okay, last example. Choose a particular solution for the equation y double prime plus y prime minus 6y is equal to 10e to the power 2x minus 18e to the power 3x minus 6 minus 11. Okay, again, first find complementary solution, y complementary. So it is the solution of y double prime plus y prime minus 6y is equal to 0. So what is the characteristic equation? In this case, it is lambda square plus lambda minus 6 is equal to 0. So it is equal to wait a minute, 2 times 3 minus 2 times 3. So lambda minus 2, lambda plus 3 is equal to 0. So we have distinct rows. Lambda 2 is equal to 3. Then y complementary is c1 e to the power 2x plus c2 e to the power minus 3x. And now we can find y complementary. So we check r of x. So it is 10 e to the power 2x minus 18 e to the power 3x minus 6x minus 11. So we will choose. Okay, you can see. So we check this. So we check this is not contained in 10 e to the power contained in y complementary. Okay, I was doing it wrong. So not contained. So this is e to the power 3x. It is not contained in the complementary because it is e to the power minus 3x here. Y complementary. So our guess will be contained in yc. So multiply by x. Don't forget to multiply by x. So it is a times x e to the power 2x because it is contained in y complementary plus b times e to the power 3x plus so 6x we will take cx plus d. So for here, so this for this one we will take cx plus d. And now, okay, it is an exercise. Find a, b, c, and d by substituting yp in the equation. If I didn't do wrong, so I hope it is not wrong. A should be 2, B should be minus 3, and C is 1, and D is equal to 2. Then you need to find the general solution is y general is y complementary plus y particular. Okay, if I did it wrong, please let me know. So this is it for this week.